test, test. Okay, now I'm back on audio. That sucked. Sorry, that was a total crash. I don't know why, and I had chroma cam turned off too, so I can't blame chroma cam this time. Let's see, trying to get some music going again. Sorry, I just wanted to get back on as quick as I could. Now I'm trying to get some music going. All right, need some chill out music. Hopefully we can still finish this stream after that being so rudely interrupted by my total computer crash, which again, that had nothing to do with chroma cam, so I don't even know what to blame at this point. Let's see. We were going to try to talk about, I was nearly at the end of the stream, to be honest. We were talking about monthly recurring revenue calculations. Let's see. Try to make a little room for a new window here. This is what was supposed to be happening. I gotta put in some more chill music. It seemed like that music was like a little bit too exciting, and that's what overloaded my system. That really sucks, because I like my new web camera. It's way better than using the built-in one, but it does seem to be associated with these crashes. So I was gonna, right before I crashed, I was gonna try to calculate MRR on this other schema. I think it was called BizNet1. And this will just give the last result of the day. Let's see, where was listing 314? That was the account tenure. I was doing 314 here. Okay, so this was the MRR SQL we were gonna run. And if I run it for the schema, the other schema, which is BizNet1, we should actually get, oh, no schema BizNet1. Okay, what is my schema? All right, let's get back into Postgres. I thought that was the schema. Let's see, SocialNet 7. Oh, it's BizNet1 without the underscore. Boy, if I were more consistent, I wouldn't have problems like that. But screwing that up was not that important compared to my thing crashing. No parameters. Oh, yeah, now I have to, let's try it this way. Let's just do it with a little live hack. Because I didn't set up that parameter. I want to see some different MRR values is what I want to see. Let's just put in some a date range here, and I can still run this SQL. Should work. And if I'm working on biznet1.subscription, let's see. Okay, so now you can see for another simulation, these guys have $29.99 MRR. Let's see, does everyone have the same? Oh, here's someone who has $4.99. Okay, so you can actually see that for different customers with different subscriptions, you can have different MRR values. And that is a demonstration of, again, you can calculate this mix. Yeah, lo-fi hip-hop is probably better for coding too. You know, it gets a little bit too intense when you're like doing just some hardcore dance music. You like coding too hard. So this is just an example, again, of calculating a metric from your subscription data. And just like with the other metrics, there needs to be an insert statement. So you can do these other types of subscription-based metrics. Here's another example where imagine you're your subscriptions have a quantity associated with them. So you would, for your metric, you would sum the quantity. And again, why do you sum it? Because there could actually be more than one subscription pertaining to the same quantity. And that's actually pretty typical when you get an add-on or an upgrade. Like let's say you sign up for a subscription, 1 year, 10 user license. And then midway through the year, you're like, oh damn, I need 5 more users. So what people would typically do, they would keep your original 10-year subscription and then add a 5 month, you keep your original 1 year subscription and add like a 6 month additional subscription for 5 users. It was 5 users, not 5 months. And then they would have 2 subscriptions at the same point in time. Now, I don't have an example of this in the data, but I've definitely worked on a lot of real subscription businesses of this type. And so typically, if there's a quantity with a subscription, you might have a unit, and that's more if your business sells more than one type of unit. If you only have one unit that you sell, like seats, or if it's gigabytes or downloads, it could be any sort of allowance in the subscription, then you might not even name your unit. Unless you use a billing system like Zora, then Zora is a general purpose platform. So of course you would have, different units in the subscriptions. So let's see. I think that's just about the end of the prepared portion of today's stream. Yes, so we end with a summary, and then I might do a little bit of hacking afterwards. So Fighting Churn is about targeted interventions. You make improvements in your product, you engage with your customers, you give them support and help. Metrics summarize customers' events and subscriptions at a point in time. So far, we've looked at count per month events, and then we looked at the account tenure, which is kind of like a special metric of how long they've been a customer. And we also looked at these subscription-based metrics like MRR, which stands for monthly recurring revenue, or how much they pay, and also the quantity and the billing period, which there's examples analyzing these in the book, but they're not actually in the simulation. Okay, the other thing we talked about is running quality assurance and the correct order to run them in. You start by doing your event QA, which can consist of time series of counts and sums of the events, and also calculating the events per accounts with the overall aggregation. Next, you calculate metrics. And then finally, you do metric QA, which is additional quality assurance on your metrics, things like time series, stats, and the number of accounts covered. Shogun. Ninja order. Yes, this is the ninja order for doing this thing. Oh, I think I just saw my dog pass through. Yep, he's there in the background. If I get out of the way, that little black dot curled up behind me. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically what we were talking about. And this is actually the subject of chapter 3, which we pretty much finished. Okay, so at the end of my stream, I mentioned when I'm streaming again. This actually says the next stream is on Saturday, but it's supposed to say Sunday. So my next stream tomorrow is going to be Sunday at 3 o'clock Pacific. And that's my Australia-Asia friendly time. Not so friendly for Europe, unfortunately. But I'm going to do a new schedule starting in the new year. This is my new year, new schedule. What I'm going to be doing now, I hope this works for everyone. And if this doesn't work, I guess let me know. I'm going to do the Australia-Asia friendly time on Saturday. And the Europe friendly time is going to be Sunday, midday for me. Because, well, just to be honest, this is a very Europe-friendly time, but it's only like 10:30 in the morning for me, and it's just been a little bit early for me to get up and do this so early on Saturday. So I'm going to move the Europe-friendly time back to 12, which is, I hope is still friendly enough. And the Asia-Australia-friendly time is going to be on Saturday, so that way that it'll be Sunday morning rather than Monday morning. So, yeah, pretty nice for Sunday, no complaints. Yeah, I mean, I figured it's like, it's not too late, right? Good. Thanks for the support. So yeah, thanks for everyone who stuck it out with me, especially everyone who, stayed on after the crash. That was my second stream crash, a very unpleasant experience. And I don't know what the problem was. It must be my new Logitech camera, which I like so much, but it's effing up my computer. So again, thank you so much for being here today. Connect with me on LinkedIn, follow me on Twitter, and I give updates about this, like when I'm going live or also other churn and data science related things. And of course, thank you all for following me here on Twitch. And of course, there's the book. There's a discount code, 40% off. It's also available on Amazon now if you're one of those people who get free shipping from Amazon. And so, yep, the next stream will be tomorrow at my later time. So yeah, thanks, It's Peanut Butter. Thanks, Maddie Two Shoes. It was great joining with you guys today and doing some data science. Now, I might just keep hacking here for a little bit, even though this is when my stream was supposed to end. I was just really pissed off about that query, my QA query not working. So I don't know if anyone could see what was wrong with this. When I was doing the event QA, gotta go way back. Whoops. Did I miss it? See, this is the one. This is supposed to use left outer joins to show me the null dates. Hey, Rodrigo96, I didn't realize you were here. Were you there the whole time? Cool. I'm actually just doing a little extra live hacking and debugging at the moment. Event. Okay, I need to set my schema. Let's see. Hey, Z Last Wolf, thanks for following. I'm actually just sort of hacking right now. My proper stream that I prepared is over, and I am trying to live hack this sequel. If anyone can figure out like why this damn thing is, the left outer join is not working. See, this is what it's doing. Maybe the chill out music. My music was like too exciting to concentrate before. I couldn't like figure out why this isn't working. So it gives me the February results, and then it goes straight to April. But it's supposed to be doing a left outer join. So I wonder if, what is the event? What is the event type? I'm gonna try simplifying this a little bit. Whoops. What if I select by the event type ID? Oh, I have to put this into the group by, of course. Oh, and that's ambiguous, of course. Okay. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing that. I really wanted to just know the event type ID. I actually want to get, I'm going to get rid of the event type in the join. That's actually what I want. I'm trying to figure out why the left join is not working. Maybe this is it, actually. I have to... Does this run? Oh. Yeah, that's running. You know, I think I might have figured out what the problem was, actually. I think I might need to include... Damn. Here, it has to be event type ID is 3 or event type ID is null. I think that's probably it, because on the dates when there's no matching events, the event type ID won't have a value. Let's see if this fixes it. So this is actually live. I'm live fixing my book. So first of all, I'm feeling very dumb right now, because I think on today's stream, I figured out that there was a bug in one of the queries in the book, if I'm not mistaken right now, which is lame. It means I'm lame because, I wrote the whole damn book and still had a mistake in it, but it's hard work. That's all I'm going to say. I would say definitely work with the code. It's peanut butter. Work with the code simultaneously. That was definitely my intention, is that you would kind of do the exercises in the book, because it makes more sense when you work through it. I would also encourage you to put in breakpoints and hack at it, like I'm kind of doing in the stream, because that's how you get to know it better. Oh, damn it, this is still not working. So just to explain to everyone, what I want to happen here is this should include the results for April, where the data is missing. Left outer join equals event time. Maybe it's actually, maybe I need it in the on statement. Caltake equals equals event time, or event time is null. Maybe this is where I need to handle that. And I'm open to suggestions if anyone is good at outer joins. Maybe I need both nulls up to be allowed. That might explain it. Come on, work, damn you. Let's see this version. I think this might be what it needs. Well, I'm going to give up soon because I got other things to do today. But this is really annoying me. Do you mind showing the summary panel again? Let's see. Oh, the summary from the slide deck? Sure, that thing, I'll let that query run for a minute. Let's see. Let's see, this summary? So this was, well, the overall summary is, the first bullets is just like the overall summary of Fighting Churn With Data. And then this is kind of like the main points of chapter 3. Count metrics, tenure metric, subscription-based metrics, and then all the quality assurance that you do on them. Let me check my query again. Wait, this seems like something is probably not good. Or event time is null. Why is this not working? Worked for the metric query. I think this is taking too long. Yeah, this shouldn't be it. This is left outer join on the date. Event. I wonder if it has something to do with the cast. This is casting the event time to date. And this shouldn't help. All right, I'm still not sure why this isn't working. Quite annoying. All right, thanks, it's peanut butter. I'm gonna go now too. I should really just give up on getting this query to work. Or well, I mean, I shouldn't give up on it, but I should give up on getting it to work while I'm like live streaming, trying to figure it out. I'm really not seeing the problem here. Yeah, I'm really going to give up now too. After I confirm that this didn't work. Yeah, it's supposed to be showing the nulls for April dates. All right, I will figure this out, and for my next stream, hopefully we'll go over it again. So, going back to the thank yous again. That'll be my new schedule next year. Thanks for joining. There's a book, and that'll be me tomorrow. Hope you enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Thanks for coming out today, and especially for hanging around after my computer crashed. I'm out. Enjoy your weekends.
They came from Brazil.